Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with a check engine light and the code P0303 has popped up, you're right in the right place. Today we're going to break down exactly what this code means, what causes it, and how you can fix it. So let's dive right in. The P0303 code is an OBD diagnostic trouble code, or DIC, and it means there's a misfire detected in cylinder number 3 of your engine. Your engine consists of multiple cylinders, and each one needs to fire properly for your car to run smoothly. When one cylinder misfires, it can lead to poor performance, lower fuel efficiency, and in some cases, engine damage if not addressed. Common causes of P0303. Number 1. Spark plug issues. A worn or damaged spark plug is a common cause of a misfire. Over time, spark plugs can degrade, leading to incomplete combustion and misfires. Remove the spark plug from cylinder 3 using a spark plug socket. Install the new spark plug and torque it to the manufacturer's recommended specification. Number 2. Ignition coil problems. If the ignition coil for cylinder 3 is malfunctioning, it won't properly ignite the air-fuel mixture, causing a misfire. Disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical issues. Remove the bolts holding the ignition coil in place and unplug the electrical connector. Number 3. Fuel injector failure. A clogged or malfunctioning fuel injector can result in too little fuel being delivered to cylinder 3, leading to a misfire. If cleaning, use a fuel injector cleaner to remove carbon buildup. You can also remove the injector and clean it manually or professionally. Number 4. Vacuum leaks. If there's a vacuum leak around cylinder 3, it could be messing with the air-fuel mixture and causing a misfire. Visually inspect the vacuum hoses for cracks or signs of wear. Also, check the intake manifold and any other components near the cylinder. Number 5. Compression issues. Problems with engine compression, such as a damaged valve, piston, or cylinder wall, can lead to a misfire. This is a more serious issue but can certainly be a cause. If low compression is confirmed, the engine may need to be disassembled to repair or replace damaged components such as valves, piston rings, or the cylinder wall. If you've gone through all of these steps and the misfire won't go away, or if you find a serious issue like low compression, it's time to consult a professional mechanic. Some problems, like compression loss, require heavy engine work that's best handled by a pro. And that's a wrap on today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of what causes the P0303 code and how to fix the misfire in cylinder 3. Car repair pro tips. Use an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes before swapping parts. Many issues aren't what they seem. Check forums or YouTube for people with your exact model. Symptoms often point to common fixes. When taking things apart, label wires, bolts, and parts using tape or bags. This avoids the "where did this go?" moment. Don't over-tighten bolts, especially spark plugs, lug nuts, or anything aluminum. Use a torque wrench and look up specs. Disconnect the battery, especially for electrical work. This avoids blown fuses or fried modules. Thanks for watching. If you found the video as helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.